have sample.
Captain, we have an identified small boat approaching from starboard side at high speed. No ACE signal detected.
Rise security level 2, Mars 6 level 2. Lock all entry points and alert all cruise members. Chief officer, assess the situation.
Hi, Captain, crew. Proceed to security station. Secure the bridge and engine room.
Security. This is MV Ocean Star, currently located at 14 degree 35 minute north, 120 degree 58 minute east. We have an unidentified vessel approaching at high speed, requesting surveillance assistance. Over.
MV Ocean Star, this is Coast Guard Patrol. We acknowledge your security call. What is the behavior of the approaching vessel? Over.
The vessel is moving vertically with no visible flag or identification. No response to our hailing attempts. Over.
All crew, maintain lockdown protocol. Prepare for the fire hoses distress flares as defensive measure.
Bridge secured. All access points locked. Crew standing by further instructions. Captain.
Captain, the vessel has slowed down but still circling us at distance.
Coast Guard, the vessel is now circling us but maintaining distance. We are holding defensive position. Over.
Copy that. MV Ocean Star, we are dispatching a patrol vessel to your location. ETA 20 minutes. Maintain vigilance and update us if their behavior change. Over.
Understood, all crew. Stay alert until we receive further confirmation from the authorities.
Coast Guard, the vessel is now circling us but maintaining distance. We are holding defensive position. Over.
Copy that. MV Ocean Star, maintain security level at report any further suspicious activity. Over.